Hi guys, Lense. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen issue with your iPhone XS Max, and you can just massage your screen gently just in case there's a loose ribbon, right? If you normally have your phone on always and you have a black screen, it can be that your phone got frozen. So we are going to start by holding down the power button and the volume up. Then we're going to try the volume down. Keep holding, and you can keep rotating the buttons. Sometimes this takes a while. Wow. And if you're not seeing anything happening, you can double tap on the buttons. Then you want to use your lightning cable, right guys? And what we're going to do here, we are going to plug in the lightning cable. We are going to repeat the procedure. Just keep holding. The volume down one should work. Just keep holding. And there you go. This will definitely fix your device if you have a minor black screen or a frozen screen. Especially if you're not seeing anything on the screen, that's how you can fix this. Very, very easy. If you have a frozen screen, you can hold down the volume down and the power button. If you keep holding, but our screen is actually touching. If you have a frozen screen, it's not responding, it will definitely restart. So if you keep holding these buttons for a few minutes, the phone will restart. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, do like, share and subscribe.